let's go over the tools you'll need for your balloon building toolkit. First, an electric pump is a must-have tool. Seriously, just ask my Aunt Ruth, who I forced to blow up every single balloon by mouth for my very first arch, which took her the entire day and her entire lung capacity. Sorry, Aunt Rue. Not only does an electric pump save your breath, but the dual nozzles allow you to blow up 2 balloons at once, cutting inflation time in half. Trust me, your hands and your lungs will thank you. Now listen, the big balloon brands or pro balloon artists might try to convince you to invest in a more reliable premium balloon pump with all the bells and whistles like digital displays and automatic sizers, but those machines can run upwards of $1,000. So unless you plan to start a balloon business, honestly, f that. The basic pumps you can find online all do the only thing we need them to do: put air in the balloons. So save your moolah and grab one of these instead. Just make sure that it has 2 nozzles and includes these smaller attachments for our detail balloons. Next, you'll need tools to join your individual balloons together into that 3D larger-than-life shape. My favorite tool for attaching balloons to each other? More balloons! I recommend clear 260 balloons to match any color scheme. The same ones used for balloon animals. They're called 260s because they're 2 inches wide by 60 inches long when blown up. You can grab a generic 100-pack of these beauties online for around $6 or $7 on Amazon. But fair warning, I about died when reading one of the reviews that said they smell like strained mac and cheese when deflated and burnt rubber when blown up. Instead, I typically grab a smaller pack of 50 more pleasantly smelling premium brand 260s for even less. I'll share where when we go to order our balloons by the end of this module. Don't worry. But in all transparency, either option works. Next, grab some standard size rubber bands too. Any brand. You'll simply want to ensure that they can stretch as big as a blown up balloon. I also keep basic household scissors in my kit, nothing fancy. Now, I used to recommend painter's tape as the perfect way to attach balloons without damaging walls or furniture, but not anymore. I'm a big old believer in command hooks now. They're the only thing that I recommend for damage-free hanging, especially on textured surfaces like brick or stucco. So grab a pack of at least 3 hooks that can hold up to 3 pounds each. Okay, so that's an electric balloon pump, a few dozen 260s, rubber bands that can stretch over your blown up balloons, scissors, and command hooks. I store my supplies in a sturdy box or bag like this to keep everything organized and ready for your next project. Yes, even if you already have the rubber bands, scissors, you'll want to keep them in your kit for easy access. Take a moment to see what you already have at home, then make a list of the things that you'll need to buy. Now, there's still one more thing to do before you buy your balloons. In the next lesson, we'll flash forward to the day of your event and map the specifics of your space. Then you'll know the exact number of balloons you'll need. So grab your imagination and maybe a tape measure, and I'll see you there.